Imagine walking into a forest at night and all the trees and plants start glowing. Not because of lights, but because the plants themselves are alive, bioluminescent, and glowing from inside. Sounds like something from Avatar, right? Well, a biotech lab in China is building exactly that. The story started with a little boy. A kid named Li Renhan grew up in rural China. On hot summer nights, he would lie in his father's bamboo grove to cool off. That's when he noticed these little fireflies that landed on his arms. Seeing them magically glowing in the dark, he became obsessed with one question: how are they doing that? Years later, that curious little boy earned a PhD in gene editing and asked another interesting question. What if plants could glow like fireflies? That question became his company called Magic Pen Bio. But they faced a challenge. In over 4 billion years of evolution, not a single plant on Earth naturally learned to glow. Not one. So scientists at his company borrowed nature's cheat code, but not from fireflies, from mushrooms. There are over 125 species of mushrooms on Earth that could naturally glow in the dark. Fireflies can glow, but they need special energy and light producing chemicals inside their cells to keep shining. Glowing mushrooms work differently. They create what they need on their own. Mushrooms use a compound called caffeic acid to produce light, and caffeic acid is something almost every plant already makes naturally, meaning plants had half the recipe all along, mushroom had the other half. So scientists stitched these biological instructions together, and suddenly the plant could light itself using the same chemistry that keeps it alive. And they've already done this in more than 20 plant species like orchids, chrysanthemums, and sunflowers. Their vision is to create night gardens, glowing tourist parks, and entire valleys lighting up after sunset like Pandora. They're already selling glowing sunflowers that you can buy. The first glowing house plants have already reached people's homes. You might actually grow one in your backyard. Follow for more such interesting science and tech related content and share this with a friend who always loves learning something new.